The foremost test range is 2,400 square kilometers of Class F restricted airspace set aside for drone testing and drone research, R&D. Original equipment manufacturers of drones would come here to test their systems to make sure they fly properly. Drone operators, companies that use them for inspection or surveying, they come to the test range to prove that they can conduct those operations effectively and safely. The benefit for Alberta and for Canada as a whole is that drones have the potential to influence every sector of the economy: forestry, oil and gas, agriculture, environment, and they benefit them in positive ways, providing better data or doing things more cost effectively.
The foremost test range has had a huge impact on Canadian UAVs. It's really allowed us to test out our new detect and avoid technologies for beyond visual line of sight flight. It also lets us test out new technologies so that we can go to a customer site fully prepared to perform the mission safely and efficiently.
The WD funding has been critical to us. We've used the WD funding first for infrastructure and a lot of the technical equipment that's necessary to be conducting drone testing. In addition to that, we've used more recent WD funding to actually pursue the technical problems that every company and the whole sector faces. Detect and avoid is an example of that. I think the real benefit of the test range is the way we're able to help numerous other companies grow their businesses, giving them a place where they can show that they're able to operate their drones safely, whether it's imaging with a camera or whether it's delivering a package. Our airspace is generic to any of those kinds of applications.